The boys back at it. It's day 2. Yesterday broke me. This morning broke me. Big Lou's been spreading bolts like he normally does, but I just had a positive moment. Let me spin you around. The door wasn't lining up properly, and it is now. Oh, perfect. That is perfect. So I can start putting it back together. You see this trim around the door? I got rid of all the metal finish, and I trimmed it last night in brushed aluminium. You're welcome. So I was up till late doing that last night. But yeah, do you know what? I'm really happy with that. Door's now gone into its right place. So I can tighten it up now. So happy with that. We've got a special guest in the back because the project's almost finished. There it is. There it is. But yeah, we're cracking on. Let's do it. Cut finger, cut hand. I'm being tested, baby. But it's worth it. It's going to be worth it. All badges will be coming off very shortly. Now we've had a delivery today. Today's a bit of a unboxing delivery day. So I've decided that I want to do a full service on the car, Big Lou style, which means I don't mess around. Oil, lots of oil. So we're going to do a full oil change, air filter. This is the pollen filters. We've got a diesel filter, and then we have this bad boy. Now what is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right, baby. We're going full touchscreen, Android, DVD, singing and dancing, Big Lou style, baby. This car's gonna be a beast, I told you. Taking my sweet time, feels right, living in the moment. So we're going strong at the moment. We've just removed the glove box, so I'm gonna position the USBs in here. So I've had to feed them through the gaps, but don't worry, she'll be looking awesome soon. Okay, so I just want to see if she works. Fingers crossed. Oh! So we have power. Oh yes. Nice. Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time. I'm gonna do the the diesel filter, sorry, which means we have to get access to this part. So I'm gonna jack the car up now and hope for the best. So that's the old filters out, and a little bit of time to replace it with this one. New gasket, I'll replace all the parts off that one, and we're good to go, baby. That's oil change time, baby. There's the air filter, which is very, very old. Massive difference. Couldn't tell you when this was last changed. So it says to do 6.7 litres, we've done 6. I'm going to put the rest in now, and then, well, I'll put another 0.7 in, and then we'll run it and just see how she goes. But I made a bit of a mess. So I've just removed the pollen filters, and as you can see, these haven't been changed for a long time. Difference, look. New old. Much better. Nice and clean. So this is the what do you call it, the interior filter. This is what it should look like. So considerably different. Never been changed, I don't think. But now we're going to smell nice and fresh. Beautiful.